We can all agree that there's room for a lot of improvement when it comes to my English accent. But in all honesty, it only took me an hour to improve my accent this much. For years I refused to improve my English accent. That made me speak English with a Greek accent in my videos, and occasionally speaking entirely in Greek as I couldn't start reading the harsh comments. This week I uploaded a video that I'm very proud of, because everything in that video was at the top of my game. From conceiving the whole idea and writing a keyword-rich script to including some of my best thoughts and thumbnail. Promoting it was also done perfectly by my standards, as I picked one of the week's best time to publish it, and I even tried YouTube's Premiere feature for the first time. And while I did everything as good as I could, there was one thing that stood out as mediocre: my English accent. I simply could no longer accept spending so much time on every aspect of creating a video and letting its presentation leave a bad taste. As before, it turns out the solution to any problem is just a few clicks away. While I was waiting for my video's fancy premiere, I read a few articles online and visited a couple of YouTube channels. In minutes, I improved my accent so much that when I took a test with an app that promises to teach you how to speak English properly, I was surprised by my score. Once again, this is another proof that we have no excuse not to improve our skills when all the help is available for free online. Not even when that help makes you sound funny. Or is it just me?